Good morning, everyone. Ryan Lane with Lane's Rubs and Sauces, and today we are talking pig shots. All right, so there's a chill in the air. We've got the RecTech fired up. It's getting heated. Today we're going to do two different versions of pig shots. We've got a spicy version, so we're using our scorpion rub with some jalapenos, and then we've got a sweet version, so we're using our pineapple chipotle sauce, our Kapalua seasoning, some fresh pineapple, red onions. It's going to be awesome. So what we're going to do now is get started by preparing our sausage and bacon. So we got a roasted garlic kielbasa sausage. We want about 3/4 of an inch, maybe a half an inch, 3/4 of an inch. So we've got our piece of sausage. We're gonna wrap our bacon around it, like so. Toothpick. Put it all the way through, like so. Leaving a nice pocket on the top that we're gonna put our filling in. All right, we've got our bacon and sausage shots assembled, so now we're gonna work on our cream cheese mixture that we're gonna pipe in, and then it's time to go to the smoker. So we've got a block, so an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. So just adjust this. If you're doing 100 of them, you're gonna need a lot more. But so all we've got is we're gonna feed 3 or 4 people. So we got 1 block of cream cheese. We've got a couple jalapenos diced up. Cool thing is, if you want these super hot, use some habaneros. If you don't like the heat, you could use some bell peppers or red peppers or yellow, something like that. We've got our scorpion seasoning. So this is a blend of 3 of our different rubs, and it gives it a little spicy, a little sweet, and a little salty. So it's got Kunami, brisket, and SPF. Get a couple shakes in there. A couple shakes. And then some sharp cheddar cheese. About, let's say about a 1/4 cup of that. All right, so you want to make sure that that cream cheese mixture is room temp, just so it helps as you're trying to mix all this together. Once we've got it all incorporated, we're going to put it in our piping bag, AKA Ziploc bag. Cut a hole in it and then pipe everything in. All right, we got the scorpion pig shots ready for the smoker. We're gonna assemble our Hawaiian pig shots now. So we've got another block of cream cheese. We've got some fresh pineapple, some diced red onions, a little teriyaki, our Kapalua rub, and then pineapple chipotle. The pineapple chipotle is actually gonna be a glaze on top. It won't go in the mix. So we're gonna get it going. We've got the shots off the smoker. We ran these for about 30 to 45 minutes at around 400 degrees. A lot of will depend on the thickness of the bacon that you get. Just remember, man, they don't have to look perfect. They're gonna taste fantastic. So we've got our scorpion blend with the shredded cheddar, the jalapenos, and the cream cheese. And then the ones that have been calling my name are these Hawaiian pig shots. I got the fresh pineapple, the onion, and we're gonna hit it with some of our pineapple chipotle sauce, and then get to it. So all we do is we just hit this with a drizzle on top. With the spicy ones, you could put a little bit of our white sauce, or even the sweet sauce would be nice, just to kind of kick it up a little bit. So that's it. Listen, we hope you've enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let us know if there's something else you're looking for. Make sure you keep experimenting. We'll see you soon. So good.